In this episode of Machines Visit, we'll explore various wood processing equipment that will amaze you. Stick around until the finish to witness the completely self-operating sawmill plant. Baker Products dual-operator band sawmill operating. Kicking off the lineup is this unit from Baker Products. It's a high-output sawmill designed to deliver major efficiency gains in your operations. It achieves this by implementing user-friendly and effective modifications to sawmill procedures, ensuring log processing is as productive as possible. This equipment can remarkably manage both softwood and hardwood timber using its 50-horsepower electric engine, featuring a 36-inch diameter. One side of the robust I-beam steel structure serves as the location for the unit's hydraulic controls. Because blade length is critical for such operations, Baker Products ensured the inclusion of two 36-inch diameter all-steel band wheels to extend the blade further. Additionally, this boosts cutting velocity while maintaining accuracy. Vermeer WC2300 whole tree chipper. As fuel and energy costs continue to rise, governments and businesses are pursuing alternatives. They've discovered that wood chips serve as effective substitute fuels for energy production, increasing their popularity nowadays. Fortunately, Vermeer forestry tools provide an answer for streamlined wood chip manufacturing. Meet the WC2300XL whole tree chipper, a robust option for generating wood chips. With its adjustable speed twin-in-feed conveyor chains and smart crush system, it processes materials optimally. Operating this equipment ensures high-quality final outputs from logs or brush. Components prone to wear are also interchangeable, simplifying upkeep as well. POSCH debarking unit engineered to render bark removal safer and more user-friendly. It strips bark from any cylindrical lumber to ready it for its intended use. Though recognized as a professional-grade tool, users enjoy seamless and straightforward handling, even simplifying individual steps in the workflow. To activate this unit, workers position the log on the loader to begin bark removal. Thanks to its variable feed rate, surface finish can be adjusted to reach the desired outcome quicker. This equipment can process up to 9 meters per minute when handling logs with 15 centimeter diameters. Once complete, the integrated blower fan automatically expels the bark chips. Indeed, bark removal becomes as simple as counting to 3. Cambio 800 debarka fast. If you're looking for debarking machines able to take logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter, the Cambio 800 debarka with CIM 750 in feed from Chemtrail Outfeed is the best one for you. This innovation easily becomes one of the world's best alternatives for challenging sawmills and log yards thanks to its durability, limited service requirements, and very low running costs. Some of its amazing features are the triangular feet and the carbide-type debarking tools. The feed works impressively. Meanwhile, the tools are powered by compressed air. All these unique and useful specs lead to first-class debarking performance. Member VTZ Sawmill Factory, a fully autonomous sawmill factory. In this factory, they have double chipper canters, quad and double vertical band saws that work together for a successful process. Blades are positioned by scanning logs and automatic optimization for the best recovery. They also have the VRA40F optimized edger to help them edge up to 40 boards per minute. After that, further processing is done with the double head RS1300 resaw line, completing a full system run. Aside from the way it does its work, it's also very surprising to know that the production capacity of this factory is up to 500 cubic meters, and it is able to complete that in just 8 hours of shift. Drumet WD240M. Even though this is the last on the list, Drumet machines are still as mind-blowing as the other ones. They are known for their durable and robust designs as well as their high precision and overall wonderful performance. They also offer these woodworking machines that have been popular in the market because of its almost entirely failure-free operation when processing wood up to 380 mm thick. The line of Drumet machines include the circular sawing machine TT400, intended to handle initial woodworking or the cutting of the outermost timber layer, producing a cuboid with the width of the log being cut. Results can also be accelerated through their twin-shaft multi-saw WD200/240M, primarily for cutting timber logs into thinner planks. The byproducts of these are then processed further by the twin-shaft multi-saw WD200/240M. After that, the results can vary from planks, strips, or square timber with widths depending on the set width of circular saws. It's also important to note that the thickness of planks are set manually. This is done by setting the distance between the saws on the shaft. This is where our video on different wood processing machines ends. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like this video and tell us about your thoughts in the comment section below. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. We always appreciate it.